What if I told you just adding one simple ingredient to your lemon water can turn it into a fat burning weapon that literally switches your body into the fat burning mode within 30 minutes? And this secret ingredient is not the most common thing that people use, like lemon combined with turmeric water. It is a very unique new combination, and the science behind it is going to blow your mind. So stay with me till the end, because I'm going to share with you the exact recipe of how to combine these two ingredients and how to best use it, so that way you can start using this fat loss drink from tomorrow itself to start your weight loss journey. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a functional medicine physician from US. I've helped thousands of people lose that stubborn belly fat which they are having trouble with. For years, people have been drinking lemon water first thing in the morning with the hope that it will improve their digestion as well as help them to lose weight. And in reality, lemon water does have some benefits, but when you add this specific ingredient, it increases the potency of lemon water by 10 times of its original potency, especially in fat loss cases. Now, there are some animal studies which show that the polyphenols which are present in lemon decreases fat accumulation, and it increases the beta oxidation of the fat, which is the fat burning process in a person's body. Plus, lemon also contains vitamin C, which is a great antioxidant, which again helps your body to lose fat. So lemon water is not useless, it is just incomplete, and it needs an additional ingredient which can turn this lemon water into a fat burning machine for your body. So what is this secret ingredient I'm talking about? This secret ingredient is MCT oil and cayenne pepper. MCT oil stands from medium chain triglycerides, and these are very special fats because your body processes them completely different from any other fat that you consume. Unlike other fats which actually gets deposited in your body, these MCT oils directly goes to your liver and gets converted into the ketones within minutes, and your body uses these ketones as the source of energy, burns them, and keeps your body into the fat burning mode. And here's the crazy part. Research shows that MCT oil can help you to lose weight even though you are not following a ketogenic diet. So it completely switches your metabolic mode to the fat burning mode. The second ingredient is the cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper has something called capsaicin into it. Capsaicin is actually a thermogenic compound for your body. It increases your basic metabolic rate and asks your body to burn more calorie without even you doing any work. Now let me show you the research studies which supports my claim. In one clinical study, participants took between 80 to 20 grams of MCT oil on the regular basis in the morning. And a few weeks later on, all these participants lost significant amount of weight. Plus their body composition also improved, and all that weight loss was mainly fat loss. Now imagine when you combine all of these three ingredients, you are attacking your fat from all different angles. The MCT oil is suppressing your appetite, getting your body into the fat burning mode. The lemons with their polyphenols as well as vitamin C through oxidation of your fat starts burning that fat. And the cayenne pepper, by increasing the thermogenesis in your body, asks your body to burn more calories. So together they become a fat burning machine for your body. Now let me share with you the exact recipe of how to make this happen. For this you will need half a lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 cup of water, and as a bonus tip, you can add some ginger, which is going to further enhance the fat burning mode. Now it is very important to make it correctly, so here's how you make it. First, you need to heat up your water, but we only need warm water, not boiling water for this recipe. Then to this warm water, you add your half a lemon juice into it, half an inch of grated ginger into it, and then a pinch of cayenne pepper. Initially, you can start with a small pinch of cayenne pepper to see how your gut tolerates it, and then slowly you can increase the dose of cayenne pepper. And here's a crucial part. Add your MCT oil the last. Add 1 tablespoon of MCT oil to it and try to stir it for 30 seconds to see if it can mix it. It will be difficult to mix the MCT oil, so sometimes I use a blender or a milk frother to mix it properly. And then you consume it. Now, timing is very important for this particular drink. You have to take this drink in the morning as soon as you wake up, empty stomach. 30 minutes before your breakfast. The reason being your body is waking up. This is going to boost your metabolism, plus MCT oil will get your body quickly into the ketosis stages. So that way your body will become a fat burning machine very quickly. Now start slow with this drink, especially for people who have sensitive stomach or have issues with acidity or stomach ulcers, because this can irritate the sensitive stomach. So start slow and see how your body tolerates it, and if you're okay, then you build up to the complete dosage. Now, what kind of results you should expect by using this drink? The first thing you will notice is that this is going to decrease your sugar cravings, and your appetite will also be lesser, so you will eat lesser calories. Second thing you will notice is that your energy improving during the daytime. And then eventually, after using it for 2 or 3 weeks, you will feel that your body composition is changing, especially your body is going to the fat burning mode, and you will start losing the stubborn belly fat. So here you go, the magic ingredients. When you add these to your lemon water, this is going to accelerate your fat burning journey very quickly. Combine this with a healthy, low carbohydrate, anti-inflammatory diet with 20 to 25 minutes of exercise routine, and you are going to see exponential results. So give this recipe a try and let me know how you're feeling. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future also. Plus, share this video with others who might benefit from it. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.